Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, I'm diving deeper into a topic I've touched on before, importing from Alibaba to Pakistan. I've noticed a lot of confusion and questions in the comments of my previous videos, so let's clear some things up today. Firstly, if you missed my earlier videos on customs and reducing shipping costs, I highly recommend checking them out. Today's focus is on using a third-party shipping agent to get the best deals. Now, why use a third-party agent? Simple. They often offer lower rates per kilogram or per piece, and this includes customs duty. The process involves a DDP rate, meaning all customs duties are clear, and your goods are then shipped directly to Pakistan. For those in major cities like Lahore or Karachi, some agents even provide home delivery for smaller goods. If you're from other cities, arrangements can be made for you to collect your goods from a designated spot. Still confused about where to find these agents or how to proceed? No worries. If you're struggling, just contact me directly. I'll need a few details like the product picture, HS number, its weight, the dimension of the CBM box, and quantity. I'll show these details on the screen in a format you can send to me. By filling out this format and sending it over, I can get back to you with the exact rate at which your goods can be brought from China to cities like Karachi or Lahore. I work with several reliable agents in China who have helped many importers like you. They have the infrastructure and the know-how to get your goods to Pakistan efficiently. I'll guide you through every step, ensuring you understand the rates per kg and more. To give you a vivid example, let's switch to my computer screen. Here on Alibaba, I've queried a few items. Notice the prices? They might seem confusing, but don't worry. I'll help you navigate through these and ensure you get the best possible deal. Remember, the key is in the details. Send me the necessary information and I or any other shipping agent can give you a precise cost breakdown. I hope this video clears up any confusion and helps you with your importing needs. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out on my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and happy importing.